Hi everyone! Today is the vlog of my birthday, which is the best day ever. So, my mom had a pool. It was big, and you probably could drown in it if you were 3. But yeah, there was no 3-year-olds, so yeah. She spent a long time, like all my both of my moms and like all of them helped, and they made a big pool, and there was a lot of fireworks, and we still have a lot of fireworks, even though my birthday has passed. And there was we did the small ones for the daytime, but at the nighttime it was really fun. My mom just got a lot of fireworks, probably 7,000. Probably she got me $7,000 worth of fireworks. Oh my god. And there was a fireworks show. We had to get the pumps and light them up, and then blow all of the fireworks at the same time. And I was late one time, and I thought I was gonna die. And there was shooting flame balls. So yeah, one hit me in the leg. And yeah, it hurted. All the birthday presents all of them were great. One, we got an Orby gun. It shoots Orbeez out of it. That was fun. We played with it a little. And a Roblox gift card. It gives you Robux if you have Roblox. You just have to redeem a promo code. And a Omotone. You know the things that go wah wah. Wah wah. Like one of those things. Don't know what their name really is. And there was a pen thing. It wasn't like a carnival, a party. Yeah. And it was a big fun one. They had a Roblox, so no cars could get in. So yeah, it was a block party. And my closest cousins and friends came. Jada, my stepsister, Jaden, my stepbrother, and my cousins, Yana, Lele, Demon, and their parents. It was really fun, but the only sad part, my dad just was here for 2 minutes. 2. And yeah, he left. He was going to the milk shop, and I haven't seen him since. Yeah, I was really mad. So yeah. There was more. There was like a house. It was like a house, but yeah. It was just for shade. I think the house is still in our yard. And yeah. And when we went swimming, I almost drowned a few times. And those 2 times I was trying to get something, and it was underwater. It was like a thing that you can breathe underwater with. If it was high enough, you can breathe out of it. It was one of those things. It was a snorkel. So I was trying, but someone made it fell, and then I had to swim down to get it. And I couldn't breathe, so I had to go back up. And the other time, it was the same thing. It fell. And then I was trying to get it. I couldn't breathe. And then I had to go back up. I had to go back down to get it. Like, it was the pool was ginormous. It was like, Let me show you how tall it was. Let me show you how tall the thing is. How tall the pool is.
Oh, you want to show me? You need some help?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't say hi. You already know what's
This
in my
is
mouth.
my home.
What you doing?
I was gonna show them the pool. How big it is.
It's dark out here. You gonna turn on the light? Yeah, you can't even see the pool for real. But this is cool. Are you vlogging? Cause I said y'all. You vlogging?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Here.
Thank you for showing how big it is.
You're welcome.
Like, it was very, 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 very fun. I was in there for almost like all day. Like, I was in there for all day. Like, it was like so fun. Woman got in, my brother woman got in, and yeah, he didn't drown. He's 4. He's gonna be 5, so he's gonna go to kindergarten. And I'm gonna be 9 next year. So like, thank you, Mom, for doing the birthday and doing getting the fireworks and getting the birthday together. Like, we still have more fireworks. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Bye, everyone.
Hey you guys, it's Jay in London. It's sunny and bright out here. We are at the fireworks stadium. Babe's at home, so we are about to go on a journey. London has 2 minutes to fill this cart up with as much as he can, and we're about to take off. see how that goes. Start.
It's $18.
All right, keep going.
Yeah, 130.
That's big though. We ain't gonna be able to fit that one in here. We gotta make sure everything fits in the cart. Come on, you only got 2 minutes. You gotta hurry up. Your minutes are going by quick. Just keep on going. Go. Remember in that corner? You like the stuff over there in that corner.
Oh. Star factor. This could fit in the size paper.
All right, almost 2 minutes. Come on, we got a couple more minutes left. Did you ever get your gun? Run and get your gun. Yep, come on. Come on. Your time's going. Come on. 2 minutes. You're running out over there. Oh. Hurry. 15 seconds left. In time. Good job. High five.
Everyone can come to my party.
Everybody can come to your party.
Like, everyone.
Everyone.
Bring everyone. Please.
You are so cute. Dude, you're about to be 8 years old. Are you ready to get your hair done? Attitude when Lennon come back home and stuff, and he always think I didn't get him nothing. He always think I didn't get him nothing. Time, y'all. I just got him this nice old bike. What's that?
You mean that?
Yeah, what's that?
It's super my cycle.
It's a super motorcycle?
Yeah.
Whose is it?
That, yeah, my brother.
That's yours.
They want mine?
Yeah.
It's so cool.
Y'all, I'm about to have an 8-year-old. You're about to be 8 years old. Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you sure? Like, why is your room this dirty? Come on. Put your shoes up and stuff. Dude, you're about to be 8, though. 8. What you most excited for?
Everything.
What's everything?
The whole party.
Dude, like, you're about to be 8. Y'all, I'm gonna get emotional. Like, bro, I had you 8 years ago. That's crazy. So right now, y'all, I am making little assortment packs for kids that come to London's birthday party. Say hi, babe. Okay, y'all, so this is for the little kids. It got like more appropriate little kids stuff in it, and this one is for the big kids. It got like stuff that pop and move and stuff like that. So yeah, aren't they so cute? And they say carnival. It says welcome to the carnival. Hey y'all, it's July 4th. I know I'm looking crazy, but I'm leaving Walmart. Just got done doing our last minute shopping for the party, you guys. We are literally setting up. We've been setting up since last night. Hold on, you guys. I gotta get checked out. They gotta make sure I pay for all the stuff. I'm doing a vlog. Okay, table's at the bottom, everything else is at the top.
Thank you, Dad. Oh, there's your table, yep.
Yep, okay. Y'all see, it's like literally full to the tippy top. Thank you. Have a good 4th.
You too, thank you.
So right now I'm on my way back home so that I can finish getting ready. I gotta get myself dressed, get myself together. We gotta get the kids together on top of finish up the little last minute things we gotta do. And you guys be able to see soon. Stay tuned. Peace. Y'all, so far so good. Roman, how is it? Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. So here's the fireworks, y'all. London is in the pool. We're gonna go to the London! London!
Yeah.
Can you say hi to YouTube?
Hi, YouTube.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You said what? Roman, can I see your face? Ooh. Who did your face? Who did your face, Roman?
Mom.
Yo, TT. Oh my gosh, y'all. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear London. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Down, baby. Yes. 2, 3.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. One. Back to the truck. Back to
Faster, hurry up! Real firecracker! Look at that girl! I love that, man. Hey, man. Y'all, this how many fireworks we about to do. He gonna go back where he was at. Y'all, I got so many videos. We already did so many. So let's see what the fuck happened. It's still going. Oh my God. Shit took over, y'all. Happy birthday, London. Hold on, boo. Shooting.
This one. That one didn't like that one. Oh yeah, move.